We are making Parmesan and Panko crusted black grouper. First step is to cut the ingredients. Go ahead and dice 1 eggplant. Next, dice 2 vine-ripe tomatoes. Here's a trick on taking the core off the tomatoes. Come in at an angle. Use your other hand and twist around and throw the core out. Dice it the same size as the eggplant. Next, dice 1 green zucchini, 1 yellow squash, 1 red bell pepper, and half a red onion. Set these aside because we're about to use the blender. You'll need 2.5 cups of panko breadcrumbs and half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Blend it and set it aside. Then whisk 2 eggs and put in 1/3 cup of heavy cream and whisk it. We're going to use this later. Next, we're going to season 2 pieces of black grouper. Get a pinch of kosher salt and Creole seasoning and coat it on both sides. Then dip the black grouper into the egg wash, making sure that it's coated evenly. Then we're going to put it in the Parmesan and Panko mixture, making sure that it sticks to the fish and that it's also coated evenly. Now let's work on the ratatouille. Get a pan hot at 70% heat and put in 1/3 cup of pure canola oil. Heat it up for 1 minute. Put in diced onions, red peppers, and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Stir it up a bit, then add diced zucchini, yellow squash, and let it cook for 2 minutes. Put in tomatoes and diced eggplant and stir it. Now put in 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and give it a little stir. Put in half a cup of red wine and cook it for 45 seconds. Add 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary and let it simmer for 12 minutes. To finish it, add 2 ounces of unsalted butter and let it melt. Add a pinch of kosher salt, ground black pepper, and add garlic salt to taste. Now set it aside because we're going to cook the black grouper. Get a pan hot at 60% heat. Put in 1/3 cup of pure canola oil, heat it up for 1 minute, put the black grouper in and let it cook for 1 minute and 45 seconds. Flip it and put it directly in the 400-degree preheated oven for 7 to 9 minutes. Now we're going to plate. Put vegetable ratatouille first on the plate. Then the black grouper. Add sauce from the ratatouille. Add some microgreens to garnish. And it is finished.